Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, and any other placements of Scorpio. This reading is for you. And this is for mid-April to the end of April. So take it however it resonates. Please remember that this is a general reading. So this may or may not resonate with all the Scorpios out there. In that case, look at your other sign, other placements. Alright, the card that's popped out for you, Scorpios, is the card of faraway places. You want to explore new places, you want to explore new opportunities. You feeling a little adventurous, Scorpios? I also feel like new horizons are about to open up for you. Give me one more card for Scorpios. The way this reading is going to proceed is Scorpios. Is some messages are going to come from the spirit side, from the oracle side, and I'm going to be topping that up with the cards from tarot. And if there's anything that needs clarification, I'm going to go ahead and bring you clarification for that from the spirit as well as tarot cards. So the other card that's come up for you is Infinite Abundance. Can you see? So you get the card of Infinite Abundance, Scorpios. And I feel like because these are new horizons, new opportunities, new doorways opening for you, this is going to bring in a brilliant new era of abundance into your life. You may not be able to see that immediately, but to trust where the spirit and your guides are taking you, because what you're about to step into in the second half of the month of April is like a stage forward or a step forward from where you've been or what you have tasted, like an appetizer, I would say, in the recent past. There could have been some opportunities that did show up for you, and you kind of, I feel like some of you Scorpios were praying to God and saying, it's about time. When are my opportunities going to come on and show up for me? But I feel like Scorpios, here something is definitely brewing and it's looking much better than what you have in your mind or on your mind. Give me some more card for Scorpios, please. Some more card for Scorpios. Scorpios, have you been stubborn, or the people or situation have been stubborn around you? No card is popping up so far. One card for Scorpios, please. For Scorpios. Okay. Something you want to say to Scorpios? Alright. You get the card of trickery. I feel like Scorpios, somebody around you has been trying to act smart with you. But like I said, you've been praying to the heavens to bring in good energies and good vibes towards you. You get the card of prayer. So heavens is definitely answering your calls by removing people and situations that can cause trouble in your life or make you cause you to hang up in a situation that you weren't hoping to get stuck in. Sometimes I feel like Scorpios, you're praying to God to send a miracle your way, because you get a card of miracle here. And with the card of miracle showing up here, I kind of feel like this isn't an ordinary reading. The second half of the month of April, and for some of you Scorpios, you're already experiencing that. Probably you already, being your psychic self, Scorpios, you already have a little bit of sense and knowing that something really big is coming your way, or you're a part of something really amazing. And the card of the miracle is talking to me about that. Let's go forward, get you some more cards from Spirit and see what they have to say for you. You get the card of gratitude. Alright, so just before you, from a different deck, Libra also got the card of gratitude. Scorpios, if you have a strong placement of Libra, you could check out that reading. There may be messages for you in there. Or you could be dealing with a Libra also. So in that case also, you might need a heads up about what that Libra is thinking about you, how you can be prepared. And with the card of gratitude, Spirit is telling you be a little more grateful, Scorpios, because whatever this is that's about to come into your energy is only being given to you, or will be able to come into your energy the way it is supposed to, or when you are receptive, when you are grateful to for whatever you have. And that kind of opens up the doorways in your heart chakra to allow these miracles to step into your life. Now, when I say the word miracle, they may not be something really huge, or you know stars falling from the sky for you, Scorpios, but this will be something you will realize that that it's going to place you in a position of gratitude on its own also, is what I'm feeling. You kind of would understand from the energies that you couldn't have either pulled it off on your own, not that you're not capable of, but you would know when something that is showing up in your life in the month of April, towards the end especially, is being given to you from the spirit side. There's also the card of confusion. Some of you Scorpios may be a part of confusion for a tad bit, for a small time. That's not lasting for quite a while, I would say. That's not a long lasting situation for you, because immediately after that, Spirit is giving you the card of instinct, and they're telling you you should heavily rely on your instinct for if you feel stuck somewhere, if it with regards to people you're feeling confused about, or you want a heads up about a situation, if it is the situation you want to go forward with in your life. Trust your instincts. Your instincts will always guide you correctly, is what the Spirit is telling you. From the oracle, you have the card of the Empress. Scorpios, this is a beautiful looking card, and I kind of feel like your reading starts with Spirit telling you that you need to get ready or get up for new horizons showing up for you in the month of April, towards the end. And you also get the card of infinite abundance. So for that, if we go by that, and now that you get the card of the Empress, I definitely feel you've had some ideas inside of you, and or you've been wanting some things to shape up for you, and now is the time that you will see those things come to fruition. I kind of feel like this is also more than one opportunity coming your way. Some of these opportunities may see light of the day completely in the month of June or July. I'm getting a JU month. Could show up completely in the month of June or July, but you may have an inkling about that now. Give me a little more about what the Scorpios need to know for their mid-April reading. Oh my god, Scorpios, you get the card of Magician. Can you see? So right after the card of the Empress, the card of the Magician pops up, and this is talking to me. This is telling me your ideas are not just your ideas. Someone out there in the spirit world is definitely helping you to take your ideas forward. And these are going to be very lucrative ideas. You will even have right people come in and help you with these ideas. I also feel with the Queen of Pentacles, some of these ideas are outright money-making ideas for you, Scorpios. And I also feel like some of you Scorpios have been wanting to have a work, job, or a business of your own. So some of you Scorpios may even get new opportunities related to work. And that's why the Queen of Pentacles is showing up here. I don't know why, but I also feel some of you Scorpios may be leaning very heavily towards a pet. You could be wanting to have a pet for yourself, or I don't know what it has got to do with a pet, but I see you feeling very caring and nurturing towards a pet. If you have a pet of your own, that's good. You may be feeling those instincts very strongly now. If you don't, you might just feel like having a pet if your life permits, if your routine permits that. Give me some more about why the Queen of Pentacles is here for Scorpios. Show me clearly, Spirit. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? You have the Ace of Wands. Like I said, Scorpios. Let me show you these. What beautiful cards. this is a very, very significant month for you. And this is the card of the Empress, this is the Magician, this is the Queen of Cups, and this is the Ace of Wands energy. So, Scorpios, you have been wanting to start a work, a job, or a profession. Some of you Scorpios may even be waiting to work with somebody. It could be a business, it could be a collaboration, but I feel like this could become really big in the coming times, or you are hoping, you are getting ideas, you could be sharing these ideas that makes this job or work or profession of yours really big, or come out in a bigger way than where it has been in your mind and in your heart. But I feel like you're definitely taking steps and you're being divinely guided about how to bring this to surface, or how to give um, affect your ideas in the real world. I also feel like your collaboration or your help to someone, or along with someone, could bring them new opportunities too. But I see that heavily you are getting strong guidance from the spirit side that's taking you forward and guiding your ideas in the direction where they're bringing you a um, lot of opportunities, as well as a lot of bonus money, good finances. Even they're earning you a lot of good people on your side, so that's like looking like a win-win situation for you Scorpios. But I feel still like you need to be a little more open in your heart to be able to understand how these are going to play out in your life, because this is happening more towards the last week of the month of April, where things are going to be almost crystal clear to you, and you will be able to understand the grace and miracles of heaven pouring on you. So that's what I have for your sign for now, Scorpios. Sorry. Please make sure you hit the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. There's a tiny bell notification icon right next to the subscription button. If you press that, you get notified when I'm uploading a video here for you. And do share this reading with like-minded people. If you know they have a strong placement of sun, moon, or rising in Scorpio, or anywhere else in their chart, they might benefit from these messages here. And the signs that are showing up in your reading here are the fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be working with these people, or they could be coming your way. They could be very significant in your life in the month of April to Scorpios. So that's what I have here, and I'm leaving you with lots of love, luck, and abundance. See you soon. Bye bye.